Say goodbye to dust bunnies and hello to spotless floors with the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, the compact, smart cleaning assistant that's designed to make your life easier. Whether you're battling pet hair, everyday messes, or tight spaces, Lefant packs powerful suction and intelligent navigation into a slim, quiet machine that gets the job done. Ready to see how this budget-friendly robot vacuum delivers big results in a small package? Vacuum Cleaner Robot offers 6 clean modes, including Zigzag, Random, Spot, Edge, Schedule Timed, and Manual Control.